How to get Monopoly Go reward codes in 2025. In this video, I'll show you how to get Monopoly Go reward codes in 2025 because who doesn't want free dice and bonuses?
So to get started, Monopoly Go now releases promo codes regularly through their social media channels, especially on Instagram, Twitter, and Discord. Make sure to follow the official Monopoly Go accounts and turn on post notifications so you never miss a drop. They often release codes during events, holiday specials, or collaborations. Some creators on TikTok and Reddit also post updates when codes go live, so keep an eye on there too. To redeem a code, open Monopoly Go and then tap the gear icon for settings, or you can simply just type in monopolygo.com/reward code. Just log in this site and then it will take you to the reward codes section. Now, click on the reward code section and then type or paste the code and claim your reward instantly. It's usually dice, rolls, stickers, or event points. These codes expire fast, so use them the day they're released. Bookmarking code trackers or joining community groups helps a lot. And that's how to get Monopoly Go reward codes in 2025.